eSpin training. My name is Mikhail and I am from eSpin. And this is eSpin McAfee device control technical overview. Okay, what is McAfee device control? It is a part of data loss prevention. McAfee protects your data from falling to the wrong hands via removable storage devices and media such as USB drives or MP3 players, CDs or DVDs. It allows you to specify and categorize devices which may to be used or may not to be used, or which is transferred or cannot transfer it to these devices at home, to office, or to be moved. So what is the problem about? The data is lost and is stolen every day. The major endpoint treats the physical loss or theft of laptops and mobile devices. Unauthorized transfer of data to external devices. Privileged users breach the data. User application hacking, Trojan's case, loggers and malware. Information is cached via print, CD-ROMs, DVDs. Unintentional distribution via email, web and others. Okay, data protection requires different thinking. Data must be protected regardless of easy to lose, easy to transfer, and thinking of to steal. So, regardless of usage, location, devices, and access. What is solution McAfee providing for data protection? It is a total protection of data, which include data loss prevention, endpoint encryption, encrypted USB, and McAfee device control. Today, we are talking about McAfee device control. Okay, McAfee device control. What we actually need to monitor and allow only authorized devices to connect to endpoint. Restriction and blocking capabilities of the use of unauthorized devices such as iPods. Enforcement control over what data can be copied onto authorized devices. McAfee offered fine-grained control of data and devices. Only allow company authorized devices. Enforce control over what data can be copied to devices. Policies per user, group or department. Allow CO to connect any devices while other employees can only connect subset of devices as example. Detailed user and device level logging and auditing and compliance needs. So we are talking about Microsoft device control. Actually, it is based on data loss prevention of McAfee. Complete content aware and context aware device blocking capability. Regulate how users copy data to external devices. Increase productivity and the ability to safely use any USB devices as a part of daily work activities. Ensure control of all external devices, and if you look at the board, you can see the picture of the device control management. It's easy to control and protect all devices, and of course it is integrated to EPO, McAfee EPO as a centralized management console. Alright, and key features of device control by McAfee. It is a comprehensive device and data management. What does it mean? It is a control how you use copied data to USB drivers, iPods, recordable CDs and DVDs, Bluetooth and infrared devices, imaging equipment, COM and LPT ports and more. Granular controls specify which device can and cannot be used, define what data can and cannot be copied onto allowed devices, and restrict users from copying data from specific location and applications. Centralized management. Centralized, define, deploy, manage, and update security policies and agents throughout the enterprise. Set device and data policies by user group or department. Advanced reporting and auditing capabilities. Support compliance with detailed user and device level logging. Gather details such as device time, stamp, and data evidence for prompt and proper audits. Okay, let me talk about the control behavior. McAfee device control can control the behavior of device classes and specific device belonging to a managing device class using device definitions and device rules. The device class definitions are part of the DLP policies and is found under the systems menu in e-policy architecture. Okay, device classes divide on 3 groups: as a managed, which fully managed and controlled by McAfee device control; unmanageable, that means McAfee device control not trying to manage it because it is not necessary. As example, it is a battery device or processor. And unmanaged, it doesn't mean by default it is not managed by the McAfee device control, but it can easily be managed. Device rules divided on 4 groups, like block, when device connect, it's blocked. Monitor, it's always monitoring by the EPO and DLP. Notify user, when the device can connect, the user got a pop-up menu about the connection. And read only. This device can be read only without any write data on it. And device definition, got a definition regarding this device, such as bus or the other information regarding the device. As you know, in our technical overview we mentioned the system requirements, and today we will mention system requirements of McAfee device control and e-policy architecture server, since we know they integrate it in each other. So the supported McAfee version for e-policy architecture is McAfee EPO 4.6.9 and 5.1.1. McAfee agent for Windows, page 2 and 5.0, and McAfee agent for Macintosh 4.6 patch 3 and 4.8 patch 2 and 5.0. Operating system should be Windows Server 2012 and 2012 R2, 64-bit and later versions. Windows Server 2008 R2 and 2008 Series Pack 2 or later with 32-bit and 64-bit available. Hardware requirements: CPU Pentium 2 class or higher and 450 MHz minimum requirement, and random access memory supposed to be 512 MB, but recommended is 1 GB, and disk space should be at least 250 MB. Device control endpoint. Operating system is Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, and later, as now we know, it is Windows 10. Enterprise and professional 32-bit and 64-bit. Windows 7 Series Pack 1 and later, Enterprise and Business Editions, 32-bit and 64-bit. OS Yosemite, Mavericks, Mountain Lion, virtual environments. Citrix XNF 6.0 or later, and Citrix Xen Desktop 5.5 or later, and VMware View 4.6 and later versions. Hardware requirements: CPU Pentium 3, 1 GHz or faster processor, random access memory 512 MB, or recommended it is 1 GB. Disk space 200 MB is minimum requirement. Network connections should be TCP/IP for remote access. Browser could be Google Chrome 31 or later versions, and Microsoft Internet Explorer 8 or later versions. Mozilla Firefox 34 or above. Our technical overview is slightly finished already. So it was brief technical overview of the McAfee device control. If you are inquired to have more description or information, or you just simply have some questions, please do not hesitate to contact us, or just visit our website www.e-spincore.com. With you was Mikhail. I'm from eSpin. See you soon. Goodbye.